Imagine a world where software never breaks down unexpectedly. Predicting maintenance is crucial for long-term sustainability, ensuring software remains reliable and efficient over time. Use past maintenance data to predict future issues, including bug reports and changes that were frequently required. Observe how users interact with the software to identify potential maintenance needs based on patterns of usage. Larger and more complex systems typically require more maintenance, so prediction can factor in system size. Predict maintenance needs based on the external technologies the software relies on, such as libraries or frameworks that may become obsolete. Account for updates in laws or regulations that could require maintenance to ensure continued compliance. Collect feedback from users to anticipate areas of improvement or potential problems that could require maintenance. In conclusion, predicting software maintenance is an essential part of software lifecycle management and helps organizations allocate resources effectively. By analyzing past data, system usage, and external factors, software maintenance can be anticipated and planned for proactively. Thank you for joining us.